Okay, example 4, we need to sketch the following graph. So we are given 4 different expression here. Okay, let's look at it one by one. Okay, so untuk A, we have I 2 sine 0.5 pi t. So kita ada expression that is identical to the general expression. Maksudnya kita tiada phase shift. Okay, this is the phase shift. Okay, kalau ada tambah and then ada value dekat belakang tu, we call it as phase shift. Okay, so this is the same method that I explained in example 3. Okay, we need to know which where our graph will start, daripada kosong ataupun maximum or minimum. So kalau mau cari macam mana mau start, we always substitute t sama dengan kosong. Apabila t sama dengan kosong, okay, kamu tekan calculator, the value for I will be equal to 0. So from here, okay, lukis macam biasa, the part C, and then label. Okay, so from here, it doesn't state what is the unit, so kita boleh just assume ampere sahajalah. This 1 second. So our graph will start from 0. Wait, before that, let's label the peak and minimum value. So start daripada kosong, and then just sketch one complete cycle. So dekat sini is the value for t. So we need to find what is the value for t, the period. So omega 0.5 pi, period will be 2 pi divided by 0.5 pi, which is equal to 4 seconds. So here 4, this will be 2 seconds. Okay, the next one is when we have a phase shift. So this is what we call a phase shift. I is equal to 2 sine 0.5 pi t plus pi over 2. So we substitute t is equal to 0. Dan kita akan dapat I sama dengan 2 sine. Okay, kita sudah substitute kosong kan, maksudnya this one kita sudah buang. So akan dapat 0.5, 2 sine pi over 2. And then you just tekan calculator. Ingat sekali lagi, your calculator must be in radian mode. So you will get I will be equal to 2 ampere. Maksudnya sekarang ni our graph will start from maximum. Okay, let me copy this one first. So our graph will start from maximum. So start from here, then one complete cycle. So meaning that here will be 4 seconds, this one will be 2 seconds. Okay, next one we have this expression sama macam B, tetapi kita ada negative value. So kalau kita ada negative value, maksudnya our graph will be flipped. Instead of start daripada 2, kita akan start daripada negative 2. So let's see whether that is correct. So kita substitute that value of t, 2 sine 0.5 pi t minus pi over 2. And then kita substitute t sama dengan kosong. I will be equal to 2 sine negative pi over 2. So kamu akan dapat I sama dengan negative 2 ampere. So sama juga, your graph will be flipped from this one. So instead of kita start daripada 2, kita akan start daripada negative 2. So from here, then you will get like that. This one will be equal to 4. This one will be equal to 2. So this is the period. Okay, and last one. So last one kita ada in terms of cost. I is equal to 2 cos 0.5 pi t. So this one, kalau kamu ingat macam mana kita punya graf untuk cos, kamu boleh terus lukis. But if you don't remember what is the bentuk untuk graf cos, kita boleh gunakan method yang sama di mana kita substitute value untuk t. So apabila kita substitute value untuk t, you just tekan calculator, 2 cos kosong akan sama dengan 2 ampere. So maksudnya our graph will start from 2. So when our graph starts from 2, so kita akan dapat macam itulah. 4 second, 2 second. So this graph is exactly the same as this graph. Maksudnya dekat sini apabila kita ada sign expression and then kita shift sebanyak pi over 2, actually that expression is the same as cos graph. Okay, so cos graph is always start with maximum. So it's very easy to sketch the graph. You just have to substitute that value of t sama dengan kosong in order for us to determine which value we need to start our graph. Okay, that's all for example 4. Thank you.